This is the Jaguar XJS 3.6 litre, but is it the most impractical police car for anyone who's over 6 foot? Watch the video and find out. This is a Jaguar XJS. It's a 3.6 litre. It's come straight from Jaguar. Not 67 seconds with a top speed of 140 miles an hour. But tell us more about this vehicle. It's my mate Steve again. Steve, you all right?
Yeah, good.
Right. Tell us about this. Where's it come from, first of all?
It belongs to Jaguar Heritage up at Gaydon.
Is that it?
British Transport.
Steve, tell us about this vehicle. Where's it come from?
Right. It belongs to Jaguar Heritage up at Gaydon, which is the British Motor Museum.
Yep. Right, okay, because I've got no idea where that is.
Right.
Has it ever been an active police car?
Yes.
Right. And whereabouts, which stations?
It was built, well, it went all over the place. It's actually a Jaguar demonstrator. And it was built by Jaguar in collaboration with Warwickshire Police.
Yep.
And it was basically designed to try and get some sales for XJS.
Yeah.
More because the XJ40 was being released at exactly the same time.
Right, okay. So it's meant to be there as a high performance vehicle.
Yeah.
This is what police use in a pursuit.
Yeah.
Please come buy one.
Yeah.
Is it any good? Sorry, Jaguar, we're just asking real questions here.
I love it, personally.
Yeah.
I did have a bit of problem with reverse gear. But as a statement, and
It looks fantastic.
It's gorgeous, isn't it?
And what year is it as well?
85.
So in 85, you've got Mark 1 XR2s. You don't have a lot that's quite quick on the road, maybe an XR4. So it looks the part.
Yeah.
It looks like it's designed to do what it's meant to do.
Yeah.
The one thing is trying to get in and out of it.
It's not easy.
No.
Getting in's okay.
I can't get in or get out.
is...
Yeah. I'm 6'2", and you're going to see in a few minutes me trying to get in this car and get back out of it. So it's quite hard.
Not easy.
Is this carrying any kit as well, or is it meant to carry any kit?
It did at the time. Just a few cones, signs.
Right.
That's about it. And that was one of its issues, was the boot's quite small.
Yeah. And where are you going to put a criminal?
Well, you could try putting Lieutenant Dan in the back.
Would you like to see what Lieutenant Dan looks like?
You've got no room at back there, really, have you?
No.
It's a bit of a sports saloon, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's basically,
very much so.
This is what we can do. Do you think it'd be good in a pursuit?
On the motorway,
Yeah.
yeah, I wouldn't want to take it round urban streets,
Yeah.
to be honest. It's actually quite heavy.
Right. What's it like to drive?
I've driven it a couple of times, and it's heavy.
Yeah.
That's the only way to describe it. Even though it's got power steering, even that's quite heavy.
So you've got a 3.6, aren't you? And 225 brake horsepower?
Yeah.
See, 225 brake horsepower in 1984, that's quite a lot.
Yeah.
There's not a lot on roads that have got that as well. I'm not 60 time in 7 seconds.
Yeah.
Still Renault 5 GT turbo time. It's still going to pull. So my thing is, I want to try and get in it, and I want to try and get in it on camera, because we can't do a full review like we normally do with police cars. But what we can do is we can have a bit of a laugh. So can I have a go?
Yeah.
Right, come round here, Cam. Right. Before I do, just come round and look at that. I'm 6'2" and 18 stone, and I've got to try and get in this. So, watch and learn, kids.
Hurry up. And without body armour as well.
Right, I'm in. My head's touching roof, so for comfort wise, I'm not really going to be able to drive it. Yeah. So if you can see, I've got no headroom at all. I can only see out the door. I don't think I'll be able to. I've got to try and get my neck down now. Steering wheel's ginormous. It does feel quite comfy on the seat. Let's have a look at clutch. Oh, clutch is so hard. Jaguar, if you're looking, we've got someone from Jaguar filming as well. Jaguar, if you're looking, can we send me somewhere so I can have a proper drive of this, if that's all right? Because clutch is hard, but it's smooth. Gearbox is nice, and yeah, it's not.
Everything on it feels heavy. The steering, even though it's got power steering,
like
it feels heavy.
It's built to last. I think that's the difference. And then little things like this as well, and it feels like it's a heavy car, but it's feel like it's built to last. So can I try and do a criminal test? Will I be able to get it back? Right, I'm going to try and do a criminal test now. I'll put my pants up so you can't see my ass. Oh. Ugh. Well, that's it. Criminal test. This is probably the worst car I've ever been in. Yeah, if you're going to be a criminal, please don't get locked up in an XJS.
You wouldn't escape, would you?
I'm stuck on the seatbelt. Ta-da!
Lieutenant, dang, you got new legs.
Right, as it's the most impractical police car I've ever been in, I cannot get back inside this car, so Steve's going to be in it. Steve, can you talk us through what controls, blue lights, everything else, set up like this for the police?
Yeah, the blue light system is on a little panel here, which is quite handy. The audio's over here. It's a wheeling system that I've never seen before.
Did anyone have a wheeling system?
Yeah, but not like that.
Yeah. But it's there, so it must be in use. And
it's got a Pi VHF radio set, which is quite common back in the 80s. Standard fit for most things.
What's that on? Is that rev on there?
No, it's a calibrated speedo.
Oh, from the side.
Calibrated, which was actually a Jaguar standard fit on police vehicles.
Is it?
Back in the day, yeah.
Right. Oh, so you can do your Oppo can do a running check as well.
We've got a couple of other Jaguars in PC UK, and they're all fitted with calibrated speedos and a box lid. So, which is quite a good idea, really.
Do you think this is probably, as I'm going to do the video now, do you think it's the most awkward police car ever?
It certainly seems like it. I can think of one or two others that are worse, like early sports cars and things. But
I think it's good for what it is. It's a good visual display, and
it's a real head turner.
Yeah, it is. It's stunning to look at. It's absolutely stunning to look at, and it's beautiful. But I think for anyone like 5'4", I think it'll be brilliant. But anyone over 5'9" to 6 foot, I think it's just I think a bit of a no-no. Well, that's the Jaguar XJS review. Anyone over 6 foot. It's the most impractical police car you can ever get. Anyone who's 5'4", it's a winner. So tune in next time for some more videos, and I hope you like it. See you then.